You, sir. You over there. Can I talk to you for a second?
Oh, yes. Well, definitely.
Do you have insurance?
Yes.
Yeah. What does that cover? What does that plan cover?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Probably your car, maybe your home, right? Does
I
it
think so.
cover any damages done by aliens?
I don't think so, no.
No? No? Well, let me talk to you about something. Recently, there's been a lot of cases of alien damages, you know? And do you believe that you're at risk? I'm at risk? Everyone out here is at risk. Because our universe doesn't only entail us. It entails thousands of creatures we don't even know about. And you're walking around here with no insurance? District 9 can help that. Okay. And,
Yeah, what do we need to do for this in this District 9 thing? Yeah.
well, it's a minor pay of like $30,000 a month.
Oh, minor.
And, you know, you get fully insured with any damages done by aliens.
Okay, so do I still get covered from everything else?
No, that comes in our special package, Plan B we call it.
Oh, okay.
So, but District 9, you need it? Your mother needs
I
it?
guess, why not? Why not? Let's just all
Your
jump on
father
the District
needs it?
9. Yes.
Your girlfriend and her unborn son needs it.
Okay.
Too.
I got you.
All right? So, you walk on, sir, and I'll be looking to see you in our office.
Well, thank you very much. Just send me the paperwork. I'll have it filled out for you.
All right. Thank you.
District 9. What class is it for?
I think we're done.